Hi, this is Silje from Norsk med Silje, or Norsk med Silje. In this video, I'm gonna teach you some very common words that are very useful in all kinds of contexts. So if you're just starting out to learn Norwegian and you really want to learn something that you can use right away, then this video is for you. The first word is a word that I just used. Hi. Hi. Or as I said, hi. Hi. Hi means hi, and it's a word that you can use in informal contexts as in formal contexts. It works everywhere. And you can also use it to say goodbye. Hi. The next two words are ja and nei. Ja, nei. Yes, no. Yes, no. If you want to be polite, somebody asks you, for instance, do you want coffee? Vil du ha kaffe? Will you have coffee? Or want you have coffee? Vil du ha kaffe? Instead of just answering ja or nei, you can add takk. Ja takk. Nei takk. Yes please. No thank you. Ja takk. Nei takk. And this leads us to our next word, which is takk. Takk. Thank you. And if you're really happy about something, somebody helps you with something or gives you a present, you can add 1,000. Tusen takk. Thanks a lot. 1,000 thank you. Tusen takk. And the next word is a word that is used very often in different contexts. The context that might be the most useful for you is if you ask somebody for indications. For instance, you want to find the nearest museum or you want to find the train station. You can say unnskyld, and then ask your question. Where is the train station? Hvor er togstasjonen? Hvor er togstasjonen? Unnskyld, hvor er? And then whatever you're looking for. Unnskyld. Or maybe, since you're starting to learn Norwegian, you didn't quite understand what the person said. Then you can say unnskyld, sorry. Instead of saying can you repeat, you can just say unnskyld. Or you can add kan du gjenta? Can you repeat? Kan du gjenta? Unnskyld. Kan du gjenta? The next way of using unnskyld is if you do something you didn't do on purpose, and you want to excuse yourself. Unnskyld. Sorry. Unnskyld. Unnskyld. Unnskyld literally means unfault. So if you say excuse me, unnskyld meg. Unnskyld is actually short for unnskyld meg, as in you would say in English, excuse me. But you don't have to put it there. You can just say unnskyld. Unnskyld meg means unfault me. Skyld means fault. So take the fault away from me. I'm not the faulty one. Or something like that. So you have unnskyld if you're asking for help, or unnskyld if you want somebody to repeat because you didn't quite understand. Unnskyld if you do something you didn't want to do. And the last one is if somebody says something mean to you, you don't understand that it's possible to say something like that, or you're not sure if you really, or you're sure that they said what they said, but you show that it's not possible to say that. For instance, they say that you're stupid. I don't know. Then you can say unnskyld. What did you just say? Excuse me? Unnskyld. Okay, so it's quite similar to the first one where you ask for the way to the train station, or when you ask somebody to repeat, but it's more intensive. Unnskyld. Unnskyld. So let's go through the three of them. Unnskyld. Where's the train station? Unnskyld. Kan du gjenta? Can you repeat? Unnskyld. Second one. Unnskyld. Unnskyld. Last one. Unnskyld. Unnskyld. Okay. I'll make you practice those three. The next expression is made out of three words. If I say it slowly, it's vær så god. Vær så god. It literally means be so good. But the real translation is here you are. Here you are. If I say it quickly and I have a rolled R, then the R and the S together is pronounced sh. Vær så god. Vær så god. And very often people will say vær så god. Vær så instead of sjå. Vær så god. But it's the same expression. Vær så god or vær så god. If I have skarre R, the French R, then the R is pronounced vær så god. Vær så god. Or vær så god. So, vær så god or vær så god. Vær så god. So there are different contexts where you can use this. If you give something, a present for instance, vær så god, here you are. Maybe you're queuing at the cafe to order. Then when it's your turn, the seller might say, vær så god, it's your turn, vær så god. So you don't only give things, but you can also give permission. Permission to buy in this context, or if there's a debate, then the person who decides who can speak will say vær så god to each participant. Vær så god. And now if you take away the word god and instead you add snill. Snill. Snill means kind. Vær så snill. Be so kind. It means please. So, for instance, if you want somebody to help you, now you know two expressions that you can use. Unnskyld. Hvor no, sorry. Kan du hjelpe meg? Vær så snill. Can you help me, please? Unnskyld. Kan du hjelpe meg? Vær så snill. And the next word is a word that people very often confuse with the word great in English. Greit in Norwegian means okay. So if somebody asks you, hvordan går det? How is it going? Or literally, how goes it? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? If you answer greit, then it actually means okay. It means not so very good. It could be better. So instead of answering greit, you should answer, if it's going well, then you should answer bra. Bra. Det går bra. It goes well. Bra. Bra means both well and it means good. So if somebody does something that you're happy about, then you can say bra. For instance, your friend is moving into a new apartment and is very happy about that. Then you can say, bra. Bra. Good. And the final expression, ha det. In the beginning, I told you that when you want to say goodbye, you can say hi. But the most common expression to use is ha det. Ha det. Ha det literally means have it. So it doesn't make much sense. You can add a word in the end. I like to add bra. Ha det bra. Have it well or be well. Ha det bra. So, there's only two things for me left to say. Tack för idag. Thanks for today. Tack för idag. Ha det bra.